Good morning, good afternoon, and good evening. I'm Dr. Shankar. On behalf of the organizing committee, I welcome you all for this extraordinary global event, World Dental Conference. In this video, I'm going to explain about how to register for the conference meeting, how to enable the virtual background during your presentation, how to join and share your screen for the presentation in the conference Zoom meeting. Okay, so first now let us see how to enable the virtual background. Same way, you will also receive one virtual background image and a virtual background video through the WhatsApp group. Open WhatsApp desktop page in your laptop. Go to the conference group, find the image and click on the image. Then you can click download and save it in the desktop. Same way, you can click on the video and download it, give the file name and save it in the desktop. So once this download is done, then you need to open your Zoom app in the laptop. Sign in. Once you do the sign in, you will reach a page of the Zoom app. Go to home and you will see the home page like this. In this page, you can find the settings symbol on the top right corner here. Click it. A settings page will open and you can see the various setting options. In that, select background and filters option. Once you select that, you will see various backgrounds which is already present there and an option to add new background. When you click the plus symbol here, you will get option to add image and add video. Few of you might get only add image option because adding video is dependent on the laptop hardware and configuration. So it depends on the laptop which you are having. So don't worry. So if you find add video option, click it. And if you see only add image, you'll be able to only add the virtual background image. Now I'm clicking add video and selecting the virtual background video downloaded from the WhatsApp. Now to have a clear virtual background image or a virtual background video, we need to have a plain single color background or wall without any windows, doors or wardrobes, etc. Click this button and pick the color of the background which you want to change it into a virtual background. As you could see, the virtual background video is not coming properly in the place of the door behind me. You can notice that only my face is visible over the virtual background because my dress color and background color are the same. So in order to get full view, we need to have contrasting color dress to the background or the wall behind you. Also, we need to change our position to a plain wall, single color background so that we could see full view of the presenter with good conference virtual background. Apart from this, if you have a plain green wall or a screen, then you can select the option of I have green screen, which is seen here. Now you can adjust your laptop position so that the camera covers only the green screen behind you so that you'll get the virtual background in the entire screen. If not, deselect it. If you don't have a green wall or a screen, deselect it. And only the latest system configuration will allow you to deselect this option. If your system has not allowed you to deselect this, please make sure you are sitting with a plain single colored wall in the back and contrasting color dress. So that gives better outcome if you couldn't deselect this, right? And if nothing is working out, don't worry, then just select none to give your video without any visual background. There is another option here to mirror the video and you can click it accordingly. You can see the background is getting mirrored and your video is getting mirrored. So you can select it accordingly. Make sure your virtual background is working properly before joining the conference meeting. Once the conference participation is over, you can remove this WDC virtual background in the same way. And don't forget to remove it after presenting in the conference, as you will get the same background even when you join for other meetings. Now, let us see how to join and do the screen sharing. As you have already registered, you've got a confirmation email and a link to participate in the meeting. So go to click the link to join the meeting. You will get a pop-up prompting to open the Zoom desktop app. Click OK and you will enter into the waiting room. Once the host accepts, you will join the WDC conference meeting as an attendee, where you will be in listen only mode. You will be able to send messages to the host and other participants. And 10 minutes before your presentation time, you will be promoted to the panelist. And you will get all the options of a presenter in the bottom of your screen. For example, to unmute your mic, to enable your video, and to share your screen and presentation. Now minimize the Zoom meeting, go to your presentation file and keep it open. Come back to Zoom and maximize the view. When the previous presentation is over, you can unmute yourself and enable your video. And after the introductory remarks by the MC or the moderator, you can start sharing your screen by clicking Share Screen and selecting the PowerPoint presentation which you have already kept open. Note that you will see the PowerPoint here only if you have kept it open before starting the screen share. And that is why I told you to keep your PowerPoint open and then come and share the screen. Once your screen is shared, you will see all the control buttons for the mic, video and sharing screen in the top of your screen. On the top right corner, you will see your video and the panelist's video. If you want, you can minimize it if it obstructs your slide contents. The attendees will be able to see your video even if you minimize it. So don't worry. Once you are done with the presentation, you can stop sharing your screen and attend the question and answer session. Once your guest lecture is over, you can mute your mic and disable your video so that the next speaker will be able to present. Then you will be moved back to the attendee mode where you can attend the next session, or if you want to leave the meeting, you can click leave. And that's it. It's done. You're done with your presentation. And once again, don't forget to remove the WDC virtual background from your Zoom settings before participating in other meetings. Hope this video is clear and easy to follow. If you have any queries, we are here always to help you. Thank you for watching the video. Thank you for being part of this Extravaganza World Dental Conference.